You will learn in this video how to apply your brand. Inside this 3D cap animated in 360, this hat style is the 5-panel. And in the description of this video, you will find the website with all our animated 3D models. Has several styles of t-shirts, has sweats. Take a look there. This is the file you receive when purchasing the template, so you will give a right button and click extract here. And this file, after you extract, will create a folder with your 3D model files. Opening this folder, we will have the model for you to open in the Blender, and also this texture for you to edit in Photoshop. You can use Photopea if you want. Photopea is that online editor. Just click here on Open from Computer. Select Texture Photoshop File, 3D Software, which is the Blender you look for here, Blender Download. Enter the official website, and download here is the latest version of the Blender. I'm going to Photoshop this texture for you to see. Here is like having the cap sliced into several parts, then has the front, the right, the left, and also the cap flap. You can change cap colors. Down here, it will have the color. You give 2 clicks here and put the color you want, or we're going to make a purple cap. I will give an OK. I will turn off the location references here. Here I have a folder with various designs ready to put on my hat. So I'll put this one here, for example. I will drop here, reduce the size, and place it here in front of the cap. I'll get this other design and put it here on the flap of the cap. I put here on the left, and I will put another one on the right too. Made changes. It's just you to save this project. You can now close it if you want. And now here in the folder, we will open the 3D file. Here is our 3D model of the cap. And if I click on that last ball, here on top of the Blender, I'll turn on the textures for me to see how it turned out, and click on this option. We'll load. Oh, and it's already here, and the print applied here on the tab. Here on the front, and also on the 2 sides. And if I want to modify something, I'm going to take this design out here. I will delete him, and I will change the color to a slightly darker purple. I will give an OK. I will come here and save this file again. Saved, come back here in the Blender. I turn off the texture and turn it back on again to release it. And then the cap is darker. And yes, the print here on the front. This model of cap, he has these stripes here, that would be the seam. You can also change the color of sewing. Just click here on the cap. In this other part, here in the Blender, you will come to change the color. If it does not appear, you click here on Materials. And the last option selects the sewing part. Click here on the base color, and here you change it to the color you want. For example, seams in black color. Or you come up here and you float to a rose. 1 purple too, for example. Here, 1 purple. In this case, I'm going to leave the seams in black. Click here on this camera to see how it will face. The cap here in the case got a little dark because the background is dark and the color of the cap is dark. You will come here to select the BG up here. And here you will also have the color of the BG, which is in black. I will raise this color to white. We can see better, right? The animation is ready. It rotates here in 360. What do we have to do now? Is to export this animation. So here in the Blender, you will enter output. Here will be the output place that will be save. Click on this folder. You will select the folder. Where do you want to save the file? I will select this folder here, and I will name this file. So it will be put here, the name of the video, cap video. I will click here on accept, and now I just came up here in rendering and click on render animation. Just wait to export this finished video here. And here Adder has already finished. And here in the folder where we selected the video file is ready. Let's open it here. And here's the finished video with the design already applied. Inside here are 3D models.